Hello traders and welcome to Molecule6.com. In today's video, I will be demonstrating how to use a very handy and free spread monitoring tool for the JForex institutional trading platform at Dukascopy. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to show you where to drop that file that you will be receiving from Molecule6, the spread 3 file, so it will be available in your workspace area. So let's go into the Window Explorer, and in the Window Explorer you have a My Document folder. Then into My Document folder there's a My Strategies folder. This is the folder you need to drop your spread 3 file. When this is done, you can go back to the trading platform, the JForex trading platform, and go into your workspace and minimize the others, like you can hide those and make more room for this here, and maybe even drop those so you see only your strategies. So basically you'll have nothing here. Now for the spread here to show into your strategy folder, into your workspace area, what you need to do is click on the strategy folder here, then right click on it and say open strategy, and then make sure that you are into My Strategies folder here and look for the strategies named spread-3 that you just dropped into that My Strategies folder. So it should be there. If you have others, it will be listed with the others, and then of course you double click on it or you click open and it will show there. So let me cancel this, and then it will be showing here, but it will be totally red. There will be no little green arrow. The green arrow is to show that it is active, so I already have it on my screen. But normally you click on it when it's red, then you right click and you say run. Okay, when you click run, the parameter window will open like this. Now the pip distance is the number of pip away from the price bar. At 0 you're sitting on the price. This is what I like to have, but this is personal. If you want it to be a little bit off of this, you can put a different number. Let's say 40. Let me demonstrate that to you. Then the next click, it will be moving away. It's very quiet now. It's noontime, so the market is not moving very fast. Now we are 40 pips away from the bar here. Now if you go into parameters and you put, let's say, let me put minus 20 here, and then the next tick, poof, it moved 20 pips away. So depending on your time frame, you need to put a number that will permit it to be shown on the screen, because if we go into the tick chart, now you don't see it anymore, and you need to bring it so small so you can see it. So ideally, if you click on the parameters and put this number here to 0, on any time frame it will be sitting at the price level. So whatever price structure or time frame that you have, it will be always showing where the price is. So that's my preferred way of setting the spread. Okay, also note that when you activate the spread, it will be activated on all the different pairs that you are monitoring. Whatever you do, even if you enlarge or remove a pair from the main window, it will be working everywhere. And if you add another instrument and you decide to monitor Euro CHF, and it will be there, you just need to adjust that little marker again, and then you will be monitoring the spread of every pair that you are following. While we are talking about spread monitoring, there's a little tip I want to tell you here, is that let's say in the JForex platform, because we have access to the tick chart, let's say we can monitor the actual price with the spread tool. But if you need to, let's say there was a news a few minutes ago or something, and you want to see how it worked during that period, what happened to the spread during the news, before and during, and so on. So you can click on here and choose the tick, and then move the chart and see the history of the tick movement of the bid and the ask prices that are showing on the screen. So you will see when the news arrive, if the spread went up to 5 pip, for example, and then back to 0.5 or 1 and so on, you will see the whole history. So I wanted to point that out. It's in the same subject of monitoring. And now if you click on this, again, you'll be back to your regular monitoring of the price. And of course, you can go back to your previous time frame. That is it for the spread training video. Now the next step is for you to ask for your free version of spreads. You can do it by simply filling up a form on the Contact Us page of this website, or you can send us an email or even Skyping us. And do not forget to spread the news about Molecule6.com. Tell your friends and fellow traders about us, and take the time also to browse around in the website. There are other tools that you may be interested in that are free, and there are also some other training video that might be useful for you. So spend the time, you won't regret it. Thank you. Have a good day.